I've got the old bit of trunking cut there. Got the camera mounted there. I'm going to put a bit of foam in there to support it all. Space for the battery. Lid on, and then we can give it a blast. Alright, so there we go. Everything's in. It is a little bit on the long side, but I want this aerial to not get smashed off. So here we are, all set up. What's going on here?
What's this?
I got Stemp in the house. No, it's not live. Oh. But anyway, here's this camera here. This is the high power camera. And that is the screen there. That's on my rig. Right, let's go see how far we can get.
Looks like you're going not that far.
Pat disappearing already.
You need to put yours up a bit, don't you, Kev?
I don't know.
Oh no!
Oh,
Pat's gone.
Pat's gone.
Kev's going.
Yeah, we've gone around the back of the building, haven't we?
Oh,
I'm back.
oh, he's back.
I reckon if I turn around.
Mine is facing a bit down, isn't it?
Where are you, Kev? At the front?
I'm lost. Oh, there's Pat. Oh, let me get in front of you so you can see my vision. Oh, and he's nailed me. On this one, you can record. Yeah, that's recording now. Oh, nailed me.
Bit brake lights on that thing, Kev.
Mine is a bit like a nose.
Off-roading.
You drive it round to the front.
I'm gonna try. Oh, I've lost reception.
Oh.
I think I'm stuck.
I think I've completely lost it.
Yeah.
I'm on the road.
Oh, where am I stuck, Kev?
You're on top of the hill.
I'm stuck. Look, there's spray coming out. Oh, shit.
Oh, you're nearly over then. Oh, you're out. Let's go down there.
Mine's not going as far as I thought it would. Alright, so first test, it didn't actually go that far. I modified it a bit now it's shorter. We've got the aerial poking out there. Alright, all mounted up. I'm recording on this device here. Where can you snoop? Can you snoop around the corner a bit? Oh, snoop on that unit up the road a bit. Just if you turn to your right. That's the top secret unit in there. This one here is all top secret. That ain't going under there though, is it? Oh, curb. Here it comes. Here it is.
That's better.
Meow.
There she is.
We've got the subscriber start line, up the ramp, up that ramp, across the table, down a little slidey thing, down another slidey thing, and then we're going over the Agga minefield. This is the Stempy section, so we've got like an engine, and we've got glue, and hot glue, and Agga through there, and then we go over my section, which is a broken armour, and over the start-finish line. We tested this hill climb, we tested this bit, the rest of it's untested.
Oh, that's hard, and you're doing. Is that an Agga frame there? That's weird.
Coming up to the Agga section. Oh, can you recover? Can you recover? Yes. Oh. Getting caught up on the old Agga.
Oh yes, getting over there.
Oh, he's getting over.
Oh yes.
Oh, and he's through. By the way, guys, link to that little car down below, all the cameras and all the other stuff that we've used, all that down below. I think you have to.
Damn it, that was close. I nearly done a whole lap.
Over the broken armour, and yes, nearly done a lap.
Yeah.
Hey, there we go. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year.